At a glance, one may think this is one of the U.S. Navy's 11 aircraft carriers. It has an island and a flight deck, and a myriad of aircraft on it. But these ships can do more than that. So what makes them different from aircraft carriers? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Today, we will be looking at the multi-role vessels that can accommodate about a battalion's worth of Marines and assets, utilizing its amphibious transport dock.
Release the brake, one turn!
The U.S. Navy has 12 big-deck amphibious assault ships, which are subdivided into two categories: the America-class landing helicopter assault and the Wasp-class landing helicopter dock. This amphibious warfare ship that looks like a medium-sized aircraft carrier was built by Ingalls Shipbuilding in Mississippi. Not only their primary role is to host helicopters and VTOL-capable aircraft on board, but most of the modern vessels are also designed with takeoff and landing facilities of amphibious assets. Officially termed as a wet well in the U.S. Navy, the well deck or well dock is the internal hangar-like deck for amphibious vehicles or landing craft to dock within the ship's stern. Personnel in the well deck are required to wear life jackets, safety shoes, safety goggles, protective head covering, and double hearing protection, as the noise are amplified in the hollow space. The ship submerges the well deck with seawater to enable the landing craft or other assets to exit or enter the ship. For the Wasp-class amphibious assault ship, the 28-foot high well deck can accommodate 3 landing craft air cushion, LCAC. The LCAC is a high-speed hovercraft that can reach over 40 knots with a full load of up to 195 tons. Powered by 4 Allied signal gas turbines, the landing craft is often used to carry heavy payloads. It can also be reconfigured to transport 180 fully equipped troops. The massive 4-bladed reversible pitch propellers measure almost 12 feet in diameter and navigate the craft, just like a conventional ship rudder system. Also known as the over-the-beach craft, the air cushion technology allows it to reach 70% of the world's coastline. The 185-ton LCAC has a fuel capacity of 5,000 gallons, with an average use of 1,000 gallons per hour. Due to the harsh seawater environment, the LCAC undergoes daily wash with distilled water to remove salt deposits and preventative maintenance washes with detergent to remove engine deposits. It is operated by a crew of 5, where the craftmaster sits in the command module to steer the 6 dimensions of motion to the LCAC. A total of 97 units were built since it was first deployed in 1987, 91 of which were delivered to the U.S. Navy. The flight deck of the Amphibious Assault Ship is equipped for attack and utility helicopter operations. It can also accommodate aircrafts capable of short or vertical takeoff and landing. Just like operation on the aircraft carrier, the flight deck is operated by multicolored, jerseyed enlisted with their respective responsibilities. The Wasp class has 9 helicopter landing spots and can operate large tilt-rotors helicopters like the V-22 Osprey. In fact, it accommodates 22 Ospreys for a full assault mission. The world's first production of tilt-rotor aircraft resulted from the partnership between Bell Helicopter and Boeing Helicopter that jointly produced the aircraft. The unique design of the V-22 combines the functionality of a conventional helicopter and a high-speed cruise performance of a turboprop aircraft. The 38 feet in diameter rotor folded in 90 seconds, and its wings rotate to align with the fuselage. It is powered by 2 Rolls-Royce engines that deliver 6,000 shaft horsepower and an operational range of up to 1,100 nautical miles. Its flight range can be extended as it is equipped for aerial refueling through its 11-foot refueling probe. Since taking its first flight in March 1989, about 400 units have been built. Portions of the flight deck on the America-class Amphibious Assault Ship were paved with a unique non-skid material to withstand the heat and wind produced by the V-22's nacelle that points downward during its takeoff and landing. Like any other large vessels of this scale, the Amphibious Assault Ship requires replenishment for its crew and the assets that operate from its flight deck and well dock. The crew is well trained to conduct underway replenishment, or UNREP, through both the connected and vertical replenishment method. Though not classified as a replenishment oiler, a few of the amphibious assault vessels have supplied fuel to other vessels in the past. Aside from its role to host air and amphibious assets activities, the Amphibious Assault Ship also carries a plethora of weapons of various scale. On the Wasp-class vessel, the weaponries can include launchers for Sea Sparrow missiles, as well as rolling airframe missiles. .20mm phalanx close-in weapon systems, CIWS, are fitted in both classes as it provides self-defense against anti-ship missiles and close in-air and surface threats. The U.S. Armed Forces will continue to face a volatile and challenging environment in the global maritime arena. Evidently, the role of the Amphibious Assault Ship is more varied in comparison to the role played by the more prominent aircraft carriers. Though the vessels may be dated, the role of the Amphibious Assault Ship remains critical and relevant. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time!